Hello everyone. Hello guys. How are you guys on today? Guess what time it is? It is story time with Miss Doris. I'm so excited. I have an awesome book for us on today. I hope you guys had an awesome, safe, blessed weekend. I'm so excited to be reading you guys a live story today on this awesome, beautiful, blessed Monday. Well, guess what? Today's story we're going to be reading is Cooking with Sam I Am. Cooking with Sam I Am. I'm so excited. Cooking with Sam I Am. And this is a paperback book. And if you'd like to check this book out, you can check with your local libraries in your state. I'm so excited. And guess what? So I'm just going to go ahead on and get started. I would like to greet everyone all over the world. I would like to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some good night. Someone is going to bed somewhere in the world, but guess what? You are just in time for story time with Miss Doris. I'm so excited on this beautiful, blessed day. So today's story we're reading is Cooking with Sam I Am. And remember, we started we're not doing the colors, we started doing our alphabets in sign language. And guess what? Today's letter we're going to be working on is the letter E. Today's letter is going to be the letter E. But before we do the letter E, for today, last week we did A through D on the letters last week. So we're just going to go ahead on and recap and do those. So put those fingers up, fingers up. Harmony, Tanelia, put those fingers up, Royce and Shakana. Let's see, I would like to see the facing of your hands. So hands up, we're going to do the letter A. Do you remember? If not, then Miss Doris is going to always do it first, and then you guys can follow along. We're going to do the letter A. Hands up, bend the fingers down. The letter A. This is the letter A. Letter A. Now let's do the letter B. Hands up, front facing, and the letter B. Just move that thumb over just like that. Now let's do the letter B one more time. The letter B. And now we're going to do the letter C and the letter D. The letter D. So let's do it all together. A, B, C, and D. Today's letter is going to be the letter E. The letter E. Today's letter is the letter E. I like to see the front facings of all your hands. I can't see you guys' hands. Let me see those hands. Put those hands up front facing, and we're going to form the letter E. This is the letter E. So let's try one more time. Hands up, bend the forward fingers, thumb across, the letter E. Let's do the letter E without looking at the letter. Hands up. I can't see those hands, guys. I need to see those hands up really high. Hands up, wiggle those fingers, get those muscles active. We are going to form the letter E. Hands up, bend those forward fingers slowly. Thumb just cross just a little, and this is the letter E. Now, let's do all the letters together. Let's do A through E. Hands up, A, B, C, D, and the letter E. Let's do it a little fast. A, B, C, D, and E. Good job. Well, I know you guys are ready for that story time song. Let's go ahead on and get that story time song. Remember, always practice safety safely doing that story time song, because guess what? That song really, there it goes. It really gets you moving. Story time. It's story time. It's story time, and I'm so excited. It's story time. Story time with Miss Sherry to you, sing to you, show you all just what to do. sing to you, tell you all just what to do. It's story time. I'm so excited. Hello to all of you. Hello, Harmony. Hello, Tanelia. Hello, Miriam. Hello, Ari. How are you on today? Hello, Kaden. Hello, Jojo. Hello, Josiah. Hello, Baby Shark. Hello, Joshua. Hello, Janaya. Hello, Shakana. Hello, Shaquavia. Hello, J. Marie. Hello, Lakeisha. Hello, Janelle. Hello, Poopas. Hello, Mario. Hello, Poopas. How are you on today? I enjoy babysitting you on this past weekend, so that I hope all of you guys are having an awesome day. Hello, Boss out all the way in Louisiana. Hello, Rayan out in Louisiana, in Natchez. How are you on today? Well, guess what? Let's just go ahead on and get ready to read that story. Shout out to you, PLCC family. How are you on today? I hope you're having an awesome, awesome day. Hello, D. Hello, D. I hope you had an awesome dinner on yesterday. Hello, Miss VJ. Hello, Brother Reuben. Pastor-elect Lady Washington. I hope you're having an awesome, awesome day on today. Hello, Pastor-elect Lady Moore. How are you, Pastor-elect Lady Gantz? How are you on today? I hope your day is awesome. I hope you're having an awesome, awesome day. Well, guess what? Go ahead, moms and dads. Have a seat while Miss Doris at Storytime read you a live story on today. And also to all of our new followers, hello and welcome to Storytime with Miss Doris. I'm so excited to be reading you your first live story on today. Today's story we're going to be reading is Cooking with Sam I Am. Cooking with Sam I Am. Cooking with Sam I Am. This book is written and illustrated by Courtney Carbone. Written by Courtney Carbone. Illustrated by Tom Brannan. A Random House out in New York. I am Sam I Am. Sam I Am. Sam I Am. I want to cook green eggs and ham. Who can cook them here or there? Who can cook them anywhere? Cook them all over the world. I love eggs and ham. I don't know about green. Let us cook them at my house. Please help cook them, Fox and Mouse. All my eggs are in this box. Will you crack them, Mr. Fox? Start with butter, just a pat. We do not need as much as that. Put the butter in a pan, then being careful as you can. Crack the eggs and watch them cook. The eggs are ready. Look, look, look. Now we need to heat the ham. Watch and learn from Sam I Am. Turn off the heat. Take out the meat. Cut off a piece. Pull up a seat. You will like this. Taste and see. You will like this just like me. It is time to eat, eat, eat. Green eggs and ham cannot be beat. Wow, that was an awesome, awesome story. The end. Cooking with Sam I Am. I enjoyed reading you guys an awesome, awesome short book on today. Remember, guys, if you're not feeling well, always, always let someone know that you're not feeling well. And guess what? Mom, Dad, Nana, Papa, Titi, Auntie, Uncle, cousins, they will take really, really, really good care of you. But you have to let someone know that you're not feeling well. And also, we are still practicing safety first. So make sure you are washing and sanitizing your hands at all times. We want you guys well. We always want you to make sure your hands are clean, killing off all dirty, unwanted germs. So make sure you are washing and sanitizing your hands at all times. Don't forget, make sure you are washing and sanitizing your hands at all times. So, and remember, it's imperative when you go out in public that you are wearing your mask. Don't forget, guys, make sure you're wearing your mask and don't take your mask off unless someone tells you to. Make sure you're practicing safety first at all times. I enjoyed reading you an awesome story on today. Don't forget, today's sign letter was the letter E, and this is the letter E in sign. Don't forget, today's letter was the letter E. Don't forget, guys. We're going to go over it again tomorrow. I enjoyed reading you guys an awesome, awesome story on today. Remember, if you're not smiling on today, I hope once you see Miss Doris's smile that you are smiling. And guess what? This week is coming up for Valentine's. Well, the beginning of next week. Happy Valentine's to all of you out there in story time land. Take care. Have an awesome, awesome, blessed day. See you on tomorrow. Take care. Don't forget to smile.